Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an owlcrate unboxing,
which we haven't done in a very long time.
Very true. So I actually also have a fairyloot, but to be quite honest, I'm not even sure which fairyloot this is since they're so behind on, I think it might even be like April's fairyloot, which is so weird. That's how behind they are. But anyways, and then we have May's owlcrate. Kira and I both have May's owlcrate. So there's not really much else to say other than for more Black Lives Matter information and petitions to sign, all that stuff, check the description box down below. And let's just go ahead and get right on into our unboxing. Have you sliced yours?
I did, yeah.
With the nails?
Well, no, these nails are too expensive to slice.
Oh, I slice it with the nails.
I did with my keys.
Also, this is kind of a sucky spoiler alert. I'm pretty sure it's the same book in both boxes, so I'll probably be selling one. Rebels with the Cause. I'm not gonna look at the spoiler card yet, but it's some gals. Really cute.
We love it.
We don't love all this.
I really wish they could like rechange that. Are those pencils?
So long as you... It's straws, I think. Cool. It is straws. So wait, the outside says, so long as you fight the darkness, you stand in the light. It's by Saba Tahir.
Wait, they give you bended ones and non-bended?
These are so...
These are cool.
These are cute. I'm really here for it.
Do they give you a brush though? Because I've actually been needing to...
Yeah, they do.
Okay. Oh, this is a good...
So you have one color black, rose gold, gold, silver, and this one. And each one you have a straight straw and a bended straw.
You know,
that's
our gold,
super useful. Love that for us.
Probably the #1 thing I will actually use from any owlcrate box that I've ever gotten. The
next thing is the pin, which I think has
cool.
to do with the story. We'll see later. Juniper Designs.
Oh, it's a magnet.
Oh, it's a magnet.
Never allow yourself to believe you should be silent. Preach! And that's like exactly what freaking we're experiencing right now, people.
Silence is violence.
Seriously.
But honestly, I don't know what this is from, so we'll have to figure out in just a second.
Speak up, bro.
Oh, these are useful because...
Are these cookie pads?
Yeah, these get so dirty all the time. May the stars keep you steady, and the iron keep you safe. Is that iron?
I was gonna say rod.
I could barely read sometimes this writing.
I'll use this too.
These are super useful.
Are these stickers?
Stickers.
I mean, like, this would be really cool. You are your own best weapon. Hell yeah.
One of them's in a different language. I think it's French, but I'm not.
Okay, well,
sure.
you're bastards.
Bastards.
That's what
Bastards.
it says.
Dear owlcrate reader. Oh yeah, we get 2 books in this. One's a graphic novel.
Dope.
A rich and endlessly fascinating world full of vibrancy and magic. This is called Can you read that? Britchy?
Britchy. Maybe you'll say it better.
Oh my god.
Witchy.
Literally, I don't even know what this is, but look how, first of all, it's really pretty cover.
Yeah.
Wait, did you see what it is?
I thought that said TikTok.
Wait, witchy. It is witchy.
Oh, okay. Witchy.
Oh, I see it now. W-I-T-C-H-Y.
Stop.
That's really pretty though. This is actually really cool. Are you excited?
Yeah, I am excited.
Kira's never really read a graphic novel before, have you?
No, but sometimes I really like to see visuals.
Okay, but don't.
Well, I have read a graphic novel if we want to include the one on.
Oh, Lore Olympus.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's all in color, which I love. This is really cool. And then the book here is Incendiary by Zoraida Cordova, and I don't know too much about this. I'll try and figure it out. This is the owlcrate exclusive, obviously. I think the cover looks like this. I don't know if that's gonna focus. Looks like this. What? Did you just...
No, one line that says...
So I ran out of space. I'm not really 100% sure where that left off. But what I'm most excited for is next month's box, because I know the book.
What is it?
I can't say it.
I
can't say it because I don't want to spoil it.
But that's
all the world's the stage, and like it's gonna have items inspired by the Night Circus. This is one of my favorite books. Okay, anyways, I'm mildly excited for this book. I gotta be honest, I'm not super interested, and I actually think I know what the fairyloot version looks like, and I think I like the fairyloot version better.
I don't like this.
I like it better than the... Did you what? Look.
I like this, but I don't like.
I like it better than.
Isn't
I like it better than that. Or do you like that better?
I like that one better.
Kira likes the original better.
owlcrate, you're doing a great job. That's just one little opinion.
Okay, wait, let's look at the spoiler card. So the stainless steel straw set is inspired by An Ember in the Ashes, which I haven't read, but I do.
Oh, I have.
Yeah, we have it, but you read it?
I swear I have.
The paperback? Do you remember we bought it when I was in Shanghai? No, I was getting ready, and it was Black Friday, and I called you when we were looking at Barnes & Noble.
I swear I have that book.
No, we have it.
I've read it though.
It's that one. That white one.
Oh!
An Ember in the Ashes? Okay. That's what I thought.
I was thinking of the Ash Princess.
Heart of Iron, yes. Hands of Iron, and not so much. Little Inklings of Design. Pot holders. I don't think they're inspired by anything. But, okay, it happened again, but I don't know where I cut off. The pin.
The stickers. You cut off on the stickers.
Stickers are just quotes by authors. And then the graphic novel is called Witchy. I'm really excited for it. And then, yeah, the enamel pin is inspired by the book, even though the book is about fire and these look like diamonds. Stones?
Yeah, diamonds are girls' best friend.
So overall, pretty useful, like the pot holders and the straws and the magnet's cool. And don't know what I'll do with the stickers, but you know, I don't know. But let's open up the fairy loot. I am kind of mad that they wouldn't have like communicated so that 2 boxes wouldn't have had the same book. There's kind
what
of
do you expect out of?
Okay, the first item is a tote bag. Oh, this has got to be inspired. Yes, this is Kira.
The Court of
Terracin.
Yeah.
So it says, looks like this on the front and then on the back, so they can look up at the sky no matter where they are and know Terracin is forever with them.
Yes!
So obviously this is Throne of Glass inspired.
Wait a second.
This is Throne of Glass inspired. I just got one of my best friends to read it and she's obsessed, so.
It ruined me.
The next thing is probably going in the trash, but it's these sticky tabs, emojis.
I'm sorry.
Why?
I'm sorry.
Why?
Those look dirty.
These look like you bought them at the dollar store. And no shame.
Who wants a poop thing? You want that hanging out of your book?
Here's the problem. This actually is like for like 12-year-olds.
Kids?
Okay. Looks like we have another pin flag, which is pretty cool because I already have one. Oh, this is inspired by The Beautiful. I know because of the lion and the fleur-de-lis.
The lion.
And you guys know how I feel about
Sebastian.
You know how I feel about The Beautiful.
Bastion.
Okay, and then washi tape.
What is that used for?
I don't know. A lot of people bullet journal and use that in bullet journal.
I tried bullet journaling one time. I'm not creative enough for it.
I don't know what this is inspired by, but it has like, oh, I think it's Strange the Dreamer. I could be wrong, but. And then in this little pouch, there's a pin, memory vial pin. I'm not 100% sure what that is yet, but it looks like this. It's like a candle.
I kind of look like I'm just judging the whole thing.
That's fine.
Here, everyone's gonna think I'm a...
And then we have a box. Oh, a secret book. I think they've given out a few, but I haven't been a subscriber of fairyloot long enough to ever receive one. But it looks like this.
So you don't know what it is? Oh.
So you can like hide stuff in it if you want.
Oh, I thought you were getting a secret book. I thought it was an actual book. I was very excited.
And then on the inside, there's a couple of quotes. Lord of the Rings, Game of Thrones, Tahara Mafi, the Shadow Me series, Sarah J. Maas.
Oh, what does that one say?
It's from A Court of Wings. Remember that you are a wolf and you cannot be caged. And then a Nevernight quote, and then a Mockingjay quote. But this is what it looks like on the inside.
Kendra, I have to tell you something. I have been wanting to watch the Hunger Games series.
I'll watch it with you.
No, I know, and I just think I just have this
one of my favorites.
uncontrollable desire to watch it. I don't know why.
Don't watch it without me.
No, I already started the first one.
Why would you do that?
Because I did that like 3 weeks ago.
Okay, so then it's on to the book, which I was correct. It is the same book as the other one, but this is...
that's cooler!
I know, it's cooler. So I think I might sell on Depop or something the other one. But it looks like this, and it has red sprayed edges. But yeah, it's just like more minimalist than the original.
The cover sucks. Turn it up. It's blue on the inside.
What?
Blue. That's cool.
Oh yeah, that is cool. Oh, we got fan.
We got
some art. I didn't know there was.
Excuse me. We have fan art.
As we were saying, it's blue, like a navy blue, red sprayed edges, And the spine looks like this, which is pretty cool. And then there is reverse dust jacket art of, I'm assuming, the 3 main characters. I'm assuming the character in the middle is Renata, and she's like the main character. Fairyloot does this a lot with reverse dust jacket art. It's pretty cool. And then it does come with, oh, this looks like an old portrait, but it comes with this. It always does. Author's note.
How many companies are there that do these little book thingies?
There's quite a few. There's one called owlcrate.
I think I've heard talk about that.
But yeah, I think I like this one better anyways.
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me put them up side by side for those of you that care.
Vote for your personal favorite down below.
Fairyloot, owlcrate. Yeah, I like the Fairyloot one way better.
Yeah.
But, I mean, both of them are pretty, and even the original's pretty, so it's like,
yeah,
can't really go wrong. But I've honestly heard mixed things about this book, and I don't know enough people that have read it yet to form my own opinion, so.
That's my opinion.
Oh, also in Fairyloot you get these tarot cards, and this is Manon and this is Dorian.
Except Manon's nails need to be longer.
They are.
I guess you can't see
it.
them.
You can't see it, but they are.
Look, Manon is a bad bee. And
dude,
Dorian
is, I think, like my favorite character from the series.
I will sip that cup. If that's poisonous,
yes. Buy
give
the
it
cups.
to me, Daddy.
They give it to me, Daddy.
I'll take it. I'll drink that Kool-Aid. You don't gotta ask me twice.
No, you don't. Okay, guys, that is it for our unboxing video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Yes.
And I hope you guys enjoyed seeing Kira. It's been a while since she's been on this channel.
You know, like the video if you like.
Comment, subscribe, all that stuff. And we'll be back next month. I know that like the subscription boxes are like way behind because of all the COVID stuff going on, and so don't know when the next one will be, but we're gonna get it at some point. So anyways, and I'm very, very, very excited for it, so hopefully it comes sooner rather than later. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. Have a great morning, noon, evening, day, night, whenever happens to be that you're watching this video, and I will see you in my next one.
Bye.